Hey guys, welcome to Joy of the Trade. Jeff Zananiri here. I want to go over a trade recap that I just recommended 2 days ago, and it's part of a service that I have called Monthly Money Flows and Monthly Money Flows Elite. And so the premise of the trade, the style of the strategy is that we enter and we look at entering trades that are triggered through the first 2 trading days of the month. So I will see volume and an atypical move happening on the first couple of days of the month, the first 2 trading days to be exact, backed up with heavy volume and be a couple of the leading stocks in a few of the major indices that I focus on, which are the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, and the Russell 2000. And so leading in the index, atypical large move up in the first 2 trading days, backed up with heavier than normal volume. And so I'll get a list of these stocks and I'll have a recommendation alert come out to put these trades on the 3rd trading day. And then we hold them until the end of the month. We have stop losses and we have targets, and I give a common stock and I give an option recommendation, a buying option, buying a call. And in Elite, I have some short positions too. So you might buy a put also for the short position ideas. But in this instance, I want to talk about one particular stock that came on and has done extraordinarily well. And it came on the radar in the first 2 trading days, but it's gone ballistic and mental for a reason that happened actually on the night after the 2nd trading day. So let me go over this for you. Let me show it to you. Let me share it with you right now. So the stock I'm talking about is WKHS. It's Workhorse. Now, this is an EV battery maker. So think Tesla. They're in that space. They make batteries for electric vehicles. They're focusing on trucks. They're focusing on construction vehicles. It's a highly speculative company. It's a $3 billion market cap, but not a lot of earnings. But Tesla is a $700, $800 billion market cap on $1 billion of earnings. So when you're in this world, you have to suspend a little bit of reality no matter what, but the momentum is there and the trigger is there. So let me show you how that worked. So we started on the 4th, and I saw this heavy volume and a big up move. And then on the 5th, we had this huge candle here, and it made it one of the best performing stocks in the Russell 2000. So it went from 1978 to closing 2243, about 10% move in 2 trading days on heavier volume. And so the announcement came out that night that the Democratic blue wave had actually occurred and Joe Biden wins. Obviously had already won the presidency, and the Democrats win Georgia Senate, giving them the command of the Senate and most likely the run of the mill to have a Green New Deal, which would be amazing for a company like Workhorse. So a little bit of luck. But also, when you start seeing these signs, these technical signs, you put yourself in a position to get lucky. You make your own luck. So after that, look at these 2 bars. We have another huge move. Stock's up 20%, 20% since the first 2 trading days in the month, in the 2 subsequent trading days, Wednesday and Thursday. And we still have Friday to go. See how that works out. I'm recording this before the market opens. It looks like it's bid higher in the pre-market. But all-time high in the stocks, above 30. I think we take out all-time highs. I just moved my profit target higher this morning because we're doing so well and because of the fundamental shift in the political landscape of the United States. But it's just an example of the type of trade that you would find in Monthly Money Flow Elite. And I give you 9 of those trades a month. So this is one of them. This is one that we just recommended. We just triggered. I also put a recommendation for this option here, which is the February 19th, 21 call. And that came out and people have put it on between 450 and 490. And yesterday it closed at 785 in 1 or 2 trading days. Yeah. So this is real. This is what happens. And this is what happens when you get it right. And this is what happens when you put yourself in a position to get lucky. But if you have a good system and your system can pick up institutional money flows, then that's the name of the game. And that's what I'm trying to teach people here. And that's what we're looking to do. So LFG guys, have a great weekend. Check out Monthly Money Flows Elite. You will not be disappointed.